Let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Actually, this is more important news as they affect us as a country. We all know that President Donald Trump threw his toys around and wanted to show us who he is, right? By wanting us to not to implement the land expropriation without compensation. By we, I mean the South African government, South African people, South Africans at large. So, one of the political leaders or political parties that decided to come, because as much as she is an individual, she might also be talking, her political party might be affected by whatever she posts, right? Of which it made me super happy to see Uguti. It's not only President Cyril Ramaphosa only talking and fighting for this matter. We all know that others spoke, but I wanted to read what Build One SA as Vice President Deputy Mpati has written. So Unobuntu Hlazo Webster said on her Instagram post, "The mask has slipped. The agenda was never about protection against imaginary threats. It was always about regime change. Back to a past where the country only worked for the few. Now that their cover is blown, what's left? A destructive Finch group, loud enough to get global attention, clinging to disdain for justice, disdain for redress, disdain for South Africa that belongs to all, to every South African that loves this country. Resist. Call it out. Come together. Refuse to let them drag us backwards." And I am standing by this. She further posted a South African flag saying, "Raise your flag because we are going to resist. Resist the lure of injustice. Resist the temptation of discord. Resist the fueling of hate. Because in all honesty, this is not only dividing us as South Africans, it's going to also impact how the other countries see us. We are low-key going to be puppets and we are not going to stand for anything. So I know this might be difficult, but this is the time or the call for South Africans to stand. We do not fear Donald Trump. We do not fear Elon Musk. But what we fear is God the Father. What we fear is God the Holy Spirit and God the Son. Outside the Trinity, we are saying we are resisting. And Pambili Build One SA for standing up with the South Africans. Pambili. Please do like, share, and subscribe.